Unit 9. Don't tell. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I'm not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I'm all grown up and I'll show them all one day. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried. But nobody knows that I'm really a giant inside. Irene Yates. He is my brother. Once upon a time, there was a small hill. A path went up the hill. It went through thick and lovely woods of pine and fir trees. People often walked on it to a holy place. One day, when the sun shone high in the sky, many people were seen climbing up the hill. They were climbing slowly and carefully. A girl also climbed the hill with them. Her name was Meena. Meena was 12 years old. She carried a small boy on her back. He was 4 years old. His hair was curly, his eyes were black, and his face was as fresh as the morning dew. As the sunshine danced through the trees, Meena climbed the hill slowly and steadily. Meena was happy. The boy was also happy. A man in the group looked at Meena. He felt sorry for her. He asked her, "My child, why are you carrying a boy on your back? Don't you feel his load?" Meena looked at him in wonder. She could not understand him. Her brother was unable to walk. Meena asked, "Load? Of course not. He is my brother." Based on a story by Sanat Kumar Bhatt.